आता खबरो विस्तारान। शेनवारा मध्यराती उजो लागिल्ल्याची कागाळ वास्को पुलिशेंत नोंद जाल्ली। माहिती मेळना बरोबर PSI प्रशांत भगत आपल्या टीमीक घेवन घडणूक थळार गेलो। उजो लावपाच्या केशींत नेवल ऑफिसरांनी इनासियो दौरादोची फामील जबाबदार आसा म्हण पुलिशेक सांगलें। पुलिशेन दौरादोक आनी ताच्या चल्याक पुलीस स्थानकार येवपाक आग्रो केल्लो। मात अचानक इनासियो घरांत धांवलो आनी कुऱ्हाड घेवन आयलो आनी तांणी PSI भगताचेर हल्लो केलो अशी माहिती वास्को PI नालास्को रापोसो हांणी दिल्या। आरडेक्स खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Cottage Hospital Chicali and subsequently admitted in GMC Bambali, wherein he has undergone operation to his right hand. There was a fire incident reported at Vasco Police Station late night, and accordingly PCR vehicle rushed to the spot. Prashant Bhagat, PSI, who was the duty officer, also rushed to the spot. Fire brigade vans also were summoned and the fire was dozed off. Meanwhile, the naval officers present at the site pointed out involvement of Inacio Dorado and his family members regarding the fire incident. PSI Bhagat along with police team went to the Bimbel beach and requested Inacio Dorado and his son to accompany him to the police station. However, Inacio Dorado suddenly rushed into his house, came out with an axe and assaulted PSI Bhagat on his right hand, causing him grievous injury. He attempted to murder him, in fact, but PSI Bhagat luckily saved himself by avoiding the axe strike. We have booked all the 4 persons under attempt to murder case, that 307 IPC and section 353 of IPC for obstructing government officials while performing their lawful duties. There is another separate case registered against them by the Indian Navy for causing fire in the naval area. Right now they are arrested in the first fire arson case. Further investigation is in progress.